Salix Mechanical is a third-generation family-run business, and we have been the South East's trusted partner for maintenance, repair and installation of climate control and ventilation systems since 1982. We specialise in all aspects of refrigeration, cooling, heating and ventilation systems to ensure that your work environment is maintained at the correct temperature and with optimum air quality, as well as keeping you 100% compliant. Working across a wide range of industries and sectors, we have built up a solid and proven reputation because we do things differently. Maintaining trust is key to everything we do, and we work to ensure that it runs through the whole and entire Salix process.
Using the latest scheduling systems, our experienced office team work directly with our own dedicated team of highly skilled F-gas qualified engineers to ensure an end-to-end seamless process for all our customers. We understand that, as a service provider, it is critical that the customer experience is consistent and professional. This is why we employ our own team of engineers, and we invest so much in them. Every one of our engineers is a critical part of the Salix team, and they understand clearly the values that we uphold and the importance of our role in keeping customers' climate control systems operational. We like to think of ourselves as an extension to our customers' business, keeping critical environments at the right temperature, allowing our clients to focus on what they do best without unwanted breakdowns.
By using our own employed engineers, we can be sure that they all have the same professional and friendly approach, the same attention to detail and thoroughness, and just that willingness to go the extra mile. We believe what sets us apart is the consistent flow of communication between the office and the site team to the customer, and then the customer back to the office. You'll always be kept informed. And it's this approach that ensures a consistent experience and level of service and provides complete assurance for customers that their HVAC systems are in safe hands, that they remain F-gas compliant, and that their working environment is maintained to the level that they expect. Maintaining trust, it's what we do every day.